In this video, I'll show you how to install ERPNext quickly and easily using Frappe Cloud. First, go to frappecloud.com and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Click Create Site to start setting up your ERPNext instance. Next, select the ERPNext version you want to use. The latest stable version is recommended. Then choose a region closest to your users for faster access and a plan. The free plan is perfect for beginners. After confirming your choices, Frappe Cloud will create your site automatically. This process may take a few minutes, and you'll get a notification once it's ready. Finally, log into your new ERPNext site and start exploring its features, from managing finances to tracking inventory and streamlining your business processes. And that's it. You've successfully installed ERPNext on Frappe Cloud and are ready to boost your business efficiency.